This is year 3 of the restoration of Lancaster NX611 at East Kirkby in the UK. This year they were going to split the fuselage at the transport section just before the letter H, but things haven't quite according to plan. Some of the parts they required they were unable to get them fitted before May of next year, when the Lancaster has to go back, earning its keep, doing taxi runs, earning money to pay for the restoration in the following year. So this year they're going to take the wing tips off, restore those to airworthy condition, the port and the starboard. The Lancaster's got the port side wing tip removed. The starboard side will be removed later on today. Hi Job.
Oh, no. So we don't have to open hangar doors so far and check the wing tip on.
Yeah.
That is a no then.
Get back.
I take it as a no.
It's the last time this year the firemen get kitted out to get the Lancaster started. And a big wave from them. Thank you. The Lancaster in the November sunshine. Number 3. This is the port side wing tip, which is going to be restored. Sven has already removed the navigation lights and the formation lights. Rivets being removed as they're taking off the leading edge, which is steel. What a load of rubbish again. Cut. Forget that. It's a load of rubbish. It's year 3 of the Lancaster restoration. I can't see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah, there it is. Cut again. Try again, you plonker. This spins in while it's still assembled of the fuselage at the back, and work on that. That's another load of rubbish. Forget it.